Theravada Buddhism from the 20th of the 8th month of 1446. Is Theravada really the only ancient Buddhist school to remain? We must be practical with our spirituality. The religion branched into mostly the greater vehicle. What is dependent and what are the inherent conditions? Those on the path to enlightenment are to bring others to attention. The thunderbolt was about more personal transmission. Verses of the eldresses and others set the examples. Foot of the teachings makes it more available. Everything is an opportunity, like a sermon. Our acceptance should go beyond the traditional into our own autonomy and non-substantiation. And someone took issue with me saying that the schools after the start of the Common Era weren't the ancient schools, but whatever. The Dhammapada or Dharmapada is referenced herein as the foot of the teachings, Vajrayana as the thunderbolt, the Bodhisattvas as those on the path to enlightenment,